How to activate your Synchrony credit card. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily activate your Synchrony credit card in just a few simple steps. So there are quite a different methods that you can use to activate your card. So the very first thing you can do is make a phone call. What you can do is you can call the activation number that's printed on the sticker attached to your card, and then you can follow the automated prompts from the call. Now, the second method you can do is ATM. You can head over to any of the Synchrony Bank's ATM, insert your ATM card, enter your PIN, just complete a simple transaction, and your card will be automatically activated. And the third option is to go to this website right here. You can enter your account number that's located in the front of your card or your statement, then enter the CVV code or the CVC code, last four digits of your social security number, your date of birth, and if all of the details are correct, you can just click on this activate button to simply activate your Synchrony credit card. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.